Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel, the Grade 11 RMH Accounting Extra Lessons Academy. By me, the relentless Monama Humphrey the Man. And remember, in this channel, I'm about empowering you with accounting knowledge and skills you need to succeed in your accounting journey. Whether you are a Grade 11 accounting learner or an entrepreneur interested in learning accounting, but you do not have a clear understanding with regards to the Grade 11 related work, then this channel is for you. And make sure you stick with me on this video until the end, because in this video I'm going to share with you three things. Number one, I'm going to share with you what a partnership is. Number two, I'm going to share with you items to be included into the partnership agreement. Number three, I'm going to share with you the characteristics of a partnership. Yes, of course, I'm going to share with you this important information, because whether you're learning for your exam or you're just eager to expand your accounting knowledge and you're in this channel, guess what? You are in the right channel, because this channel will always provide you with accounting knowledge, guidance, and skills you need to succeed in your accounting journey. And if you're new to this channel as an accounting learner, if you're an accounting learner and you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. So hit the subscribe button in order for you to keep being updated on new accounting tips, and hit the notification bell in order for YouTube to keep notifying you whenever this channel uploads a new video. However, if you're not an accounting learner or an entrepreneur interested in learning accounting, you may watch this video, but please do not subscribe. Only accounting learners who are interested in learning accounting may subscribe. Politely so. Now, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And without any waste of time, let's get straight to the point and allow me, the King Hannah boy, to jump on my stage and kill the mind. Number one, what is a partnership? As a Grade 11 accounting learner, you are doing partnership, but what is a partnership? Now, a partnership is a legal relationship created by a legal agreement between two or more people, but not more than 20, who carry on a lawful business for the purpose of making a profit. Now, these people, they contribute something to the business, something such as cash, assets, and expertise. For example, let's say you are 3 people and you want to start a partnership business. And the business idea is that you want to sell popcorns, all right? And now you have to contribute something into the business, 3 of you. Now, the one person said, you know what, I've got capital. I will contribute maybe 5,000 and we buy coins, right? That's how much I'm going to contribute. And the other person said, you know what, I don't have cash, but I've got the machine, which is an asset, the machine to make popcorns. I will contribute that machine. Now that person contribute an asset, which is a popcorn machine. And the other person say, you know what, I don't have cash, I don't even have assets, but I can contribute something, expertise. I have skills. I know accounting. I understand accounting. I will keep records of the enterprise's books, right? Now that it's also a contribution. In partnership, we don't contribute cash, assets only, even skill, right? Now you are 3 and then your business of the partnership business start to operate, right? Now, because it's operating for the purpose of making a profit, the profit generated by the partnership business will be shared amongst these 3 partners in what it is known as the profit sharing ratio, right? That's how. Now, what you also need to know is that these 3 partners, they are jointly and severally liable or responsible for the debts of the partnership business, right? So everybody has got the responsibility. Now, what you also need to know is that if somebody or a customer decide to sue your partnership business, that person will have to institute legal action against each and every partner within the partnership business. In the same way, if one partner out of these 3 partners you're joining and doing the partnership business, if one of your partners commit crime while performing a partnership business, all of you partners, you will be deemed guilty of the crime unless you can prove that you were not involved in the crime and there was no way you could prevent the crime, right? So those are the things you need to understand about partnership. Now, is a partnership a separate legal entity or not? Now, here's the answer. A partnership is not regarded as a separate legal entity, right? It has got no independent legal existence separate from its partners, right? Now, in this case, a partnership is not required or it's not liable to pay income tax because it's not a separate legal entity. Now, the partners themselves are the one who tax. So the profit generated by the partnership, it will be taxed in the hands of partners, right? It will be taxed in the hands of each and every individual partner. For example, the final profit is distributable to each partner. Now, what happened is that that final profit will be added to each and every partner's personal income, and therefore it will be taxed in what it is known as an individual tax rate. Reason being, there is no partnership tax rate. You with me? That's what you need to understand. And another question you might be wondering is that if we start a partnership business, how do we register a partnership business? Because other people, they register their company. How do we register a partnership business? Now, there are no statutory requirement with regards to the formation or the registration of a partnership. A partnership, it is formed through verbal or a written agreement, right? We can just say, okay, we are three, we start popcorn business, let's shake hands, and we are fine. We start a partnership. However, it is highly recommended that the partnership business be in a form of a written agreement. This is important because it avoids confusion between partners, misunderstanding between partners, and conflict that may arise within partners. So it is highly advisable that it gets formed through a legal agreement. You need to write in papers so that you avoid this kind of confusion. Make sense? Now, those are the few things that I wanted to share with you with regards to partnership. Number 2, items to be included in the partnership agreement. Remember, it is highly recommended that the partnership be in a form of written agreement. Now, what are items that you need to include should you decide to form a partnership business with your partner? Number 1, you need to include the name, the purpose, and the scope of the partnership. That's number 1. Number 2, you need to include the addresses where your partnership business will take place or will run, right? Number 3, you will have to include the names of the partners involved into the partnership business. That is important. Number 4, you need to also include the capital structure, capital contribution, what each partners will contribute, cash, assets, or expertise, right? It has to be included. Number 5, you need to include the profit sharing ratios. What profit sharing ratios you will use should you start making a profit so that you don't fight? That's number 5. Number 6, salaries and bonuses to be paid to a saving partner. Remember, a partnership cannot run its own. There has to be other people, the partners that run it. So that person will have to be remunerated at some point, get paid salary. And that salary will have to be paid to that person, whether the partnership business has made a profit or not, right? And number 7, it is normal for a partnership business to allow partners to withdraw from the partnership business, right? Now, that withdrawal has to also be included in the agreement. You have to write agreement, say, this is how much we withdraw. If a partner wants to withdraw, they can withdraw. But however, this needs to be taken care of. You need to be careful on that because you can imagine one partner deposit 100,000 only to deplete it with unlimited withdrawals. Now, how can you prevent that? Maybe you can say, okay, our withdrawal start from 5,000, and out of 5,000 we charge you 60% withdrawal. If the partner withdraw, we charge you 60%. So that will prevent people having to abuse these benefits with constant withdrawal, unlimited withdrawal. When they want to impress their girlfriend, they withdraw. When they want to make party, they withdraw. So the partnership business won't work as such, right? Now, that has to be included. Number 8, we have to include action to be taken on admission of a new partner, right? When a new partner is admitted, what action will be taken? Number 9, action to be taken on death or retirement of a partner, right? Now, when a partner dies, what will happen, right? What action it is taken when somebody dies? What will happen with his contribution, right? The amount of money. It has to be included in that, right? So those are the items that needs to be included. And number 10, before I even forget this important one, you need to include dispute resolution procedure. If there is a dispute, you fighting amongst partners, what is the dispute resolution procedure? It has to be included and it has to be in paper. So those are the items that needs to be included in the partnership agreement. Make sense? Number 6, characteristics of a partnership. Now let's share characteristics of partnership. Maybe 5 or 6, but let's look at the characteristics. Number 1, the partnership business are easy to form and dissolve. They are formed through agreement, right? There are no statutory requirements to be followed with regards to the formation of a partnership. We just make a verbal agreement that, you know what, let's start this business of selling popcorns, and we go, right? That's how easy it is to start a partnership business. Number 2, partnership businesses are flexible in a way that changes can be implemented through a mutual agreement. Changes such as capital structure. Maybe the capital structure, we change the capital. We just agree. We don't have to write any papers and submit to the statutory whatever or organization for approval, right? So they are flexible in that way. Number 3, partners or all partners within the partnership business are jointly and severally responsible for the debts of the partnership, right? They are responsible for everything that is happening in the partnership. For example, if the partner, one of your partner, commit crime while performing the partnership activities, then such person will be held responsible too. That means that a partner may have to pay for that loss out of his or her own personal assets. That's the important thing. That's what you also need to know. Number 4, a partnership is not regarded as a separate legal entity. This means that a partnership is not required to pay income tax according to law. However, the profit generated by the partnership business is taxed in the hands of the individual partners. So the profit, the final profit distributed to each partner will be added to each and every individual partner's personal income, and therefore it will be taxed in what it is known as an individual tax rate, because there is no partnership tax rate, right? That is the characteristic of a partnership that you need to be aware of. So you need to understand this kind of characteristics. So I'm just sharing with you these few of the characteristics. There are many. In your textbook, if you go through them, you will find many of them, right? Those are the characteristics of a partnership. Now, without any waste of time, if you liked the content of this video, please indicate to me by giving it a like button, because this will motivate me to make more videos for you. Remember, as you can see, this video or this channel, it only have 2 videos. So I will be improving, making more videos and quality videos for you with quality information, not just a quality video, but quality information. So give it a like button if you like what I'm sharing with you. And if you feel like this channel will help you, subscribe, because there are more videos that I'm going to give to you. And again, if you are a grade 11 accounting learner and you're looking for someone who will teach you accounting from the comfort of your own home, comment on the comment section below and let me know, because I also provide accounting classes online, Monday to Friday, 2 hours per session, right? Online, as long as you've got access to internet, laptop or a smartphone that you're currently holding right now. You and me are ready to go, right? Now, comment on the comment section below and notify me, and we can work together. It doesn't matter where you are. You don't have to worry about the transport cost. Access to internet and laptop, we are ready to go. Until next time, leave the relentless Monama Humphrey the man, humble and the intelligent King Hannah Boy. the RMH himself, and the accounting subject assassin. I will be with you in the upcoming next video, and make sure you see me in that next video. Now look above there at the top there will be a video popping up. If you see a video popping up, just tap on it and start watching and learn more. But if there is no any video popping up, just so you know that it hasn't been uploaded for you. Remember, I'm going to make videos for you